This is a buyer's area. I already told you buyer's area means support level, and from this level the candle closed here. After this closing point we are seeing a seller's entry. Here there are some sellers, so it means this is a resistance level. Okay, I'm going to start today's session about seller's area and buyer's area. Okay, in the market I already explained about support and resistance level. The resistance level means the resistance level is called a seller's area, and the support level is called a buyer's area. I already explained this point. Okay, every level, not only this level, here also in this level, I will show you clearly. Okay, in this level, we are seeing I have drawn only the closing points, not the low points, not the high points. In this area, we are seeing a reversal from this level, a buyer's entry in this candle. Bullish candle means a buyer's candle. Bearish candle means a seller's candle. Okay, here we are seeing a buyer's entry, a bullish candle. It means there are some buyers at this area. This is a buyer's area. I already told you buyer's area means support level, and from this level the candle closed here. After this closing point we are seeing a seller's entry. Here there are some sellers, so it means this is a resistance level. Okay, this is also a support and resistance level. Support buyer's area, resistance seller's area. Okay, this is also buyers and sellers area, but we can't trust all levels like this. We can't trust every support and resistance level. We can trust only a few levels. I already explained the few levels in the previous lessons. Okay, the few levels is a strong levels. I will show you if possible. Okay, here we are seeing a reversal point, I think. Okay, there is a reversal point. I will adjust the level from here to here. Okay, this is a reversal point here also a reversal point, a reversal points here. Okay, we are seeing so many reversal points at this area. Okay, we are seeing so many reversal points at this area. So we can trust this level. So similarly, we can trust only the strong levels, not every level. We can't trust this level. We can't trust this level, but we can trust this level because we are seeing so many reversal points at this level. Okay, a reversal point, a breakout. Again, the market got support from same level. Again, buyers entered. Again, buyers entered from same level. Again, buyers entered. Again, we are seeing a buyers entry. Okay, we are seeing a reversal points at this level. We can trust this level. So we can't trust every level. We can trust only few levels, like a reversal points. If you see a reversal points most of the time at a level, you can trust the level. Similarly, here I have drawn a horizontal lines to identify the buyers and sellers area. To know the buyers and sellers area in uptrend, we can use the trend line too. Okay, now I will show you how to identify the buyers and sellers area using the trend line. Okay, buyers area and sellers area is nothing but support and resistance level, SNR levels. Okay, if you know about SNR level, you will get this point. Okay, just a minute. Okay, if you know about SNR strategy, you will get this point. Okay, I will show you now. Here we are seeing, I'm drawing only the closing points. You can draw the closing points and the low points too. Okay, I have drawn only the closing point here and the another closing point. Okay, this is a buyer's entry point. Okay, actually buyers entered from this level, but we are seeing buyers here. Okay, here also I will draw a line here. Okay, here we are seeing a seller's entry from this level. We are seeing a seller's entry from this level to this level, but we are seeing sellers only in this party directly. We are seeing sellers entry indirectly in this week. There is a rejection from this level because of sellers. We are seeing a rejection, but in this week we are seeing some sellers entry as well as some buyers entry. There is a buyer's entry as well as some seller's entry in this week, but in this body we are seeing only the sellers, not a buyers. If you see any week, it means there are some sellers entry as well as some buyers entry here also. But if you see a body, the body means a pure buyer's entry. We can consider the body as a buyer's entry, a bullish body. We can consider a bearish body as a pure seller's entry. Here we are seeing a seller's entry from this level, but we are seeing directly the sellers from this level. Confirmation. Uh, I'm not explaining about confirmation, Morat. Okay, there are some sellers at this area, but we are seeing a seller's entry from this level directly. Similarly, here also we are seeing a buyer's entry from this level, and we are seeing a buyers from this level. From this level to this level, we are seeing a buyer's entry from this level directly. So this is also a buyer's entry and this is also a buyer's entry. We can consider the whole area as a buyer's entry point. And I will draw a level here. I will give you an example here. In this area, we are seeing a buyer's entry from this level, but we are seeing buyers in this body directly. So from this level to this level, this whole area is a buyer's area. Again, if market come to this level, buyers will enter. You can see a rejection. So this is a buyer's area. Like here also. Okay, just wait. Just a minute. Okay, here we are seeing a buyer's entry from this level. Okay, there is a buyer's entry from this level, but we are seeing buyers here and here also. Actual buyer's entry point is from this level, but we are seeing buyers here in this body. We are seeing buyers directly in this body. So from this level to this level, this whole area is a buyer's area. If market come to this level, there is a chance to enter buyers. You can see here, there is a chance to enter buyers. So to enter with buyers, we need a confirmation candle from 5 seconds. So similarly, I will explain this point here. Okay, here also I have drawn a horizontal line to explain you about support and resistance level. This is also a support and resistance level, but I have drawn only the closing points and the low point to next low point. Okay, this whole area is a buyer's area. If market come to this level again, if market come to this level again, there is a chance to enter buyers. So to enter with buyers, we need a confirmation candle from buyers in the 5-second candle. If the candle close above the level here, the next candle will go up from this level because this is a buyer's area. The whole area is a buyer's area. Okay, this candle, one minute. Okay, similarly here also. Okay, this is a buyer's area. Okay, from this level to this level, we are seeing a buyer's entry. Okay, we are seeing a buyer's entry from this level. Again, we are seeing a buyer's entry from this level. If market come to this level, again there is a chance to enter buyers. Okay, there is a chance to enter buyers. The candle closing point is far from the level, but the candle opening point is near to this level. Okay, if we get any confirmation candle here, we can go with buyers. We can go with buyers from this level. Okay, because the whole area is a level. Here also I will draw a line here. Okay, the closing point to closing point and the low point to low point. If you draw these two lines, if the candle close above the level, we can place our trade on the next candle. But we are seeing a breakout candlestick, so we can't place our trade on the next candle. If the candle close above the level, we can place our trade. Okay, here also we are seeing a next buyer's entry point. A buyer's entry point here. Again, we are seeing a buyer's entry point. Again, we are seeing a buyer's entry point. If the market come to this level, okay, already it reversed. First buyer's entry point, second buyer's entry point. This is a third buyer's entry point. Again, we are seeing a rejection buyer's entry point. Again, we are seeing a buyer's entry point from the same level, near to this level. Okay, there is a buyer's entry point, but far from the level. We are seeing a breakout candlestick. We are seeing a confirmation candle here, not here. I will show you this candle just closed above the level. In this candle, if we get any confirmation candle, we'll place our trade. I will show you here, but always place your trade with confirmation. Okay, here this candle, we are seeing a confirmation candle here. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. In the first 30 seconds, there is no confirmation candle. We are seeing a confirmation candle here. This is not strong, but we can take this candle also a confirmation candle. This one also. But there is no confirmation in the first 30 seconds. So we can't place our trade here. And this is a breakout candlestick if you observe in 5-second candlesticks. So there is no chance. But here, this is a paired sentiment. On it. Okay. Paired sentiment, again a paired sentiment. Here also a paired sentiment. The candle closed just above the level. We are seeing a opening price at the level. If we get any confirmation in this candle, we can place our trade. Or if we get any confirmation in this candle, we can place our trade. So to know the strong buyers and sellers area, we need to draw a trend line like this. You can see here, okay, here, this is a good confirmation candle from buyers. Here the candle closed above the level. This is a 5-second chart. The candle closed above the level. In this minute, on the next minute, we are seeing a confirmation candle here. So we can place our trade here. The candle closed above the level. Okay, this is a buyer's entry point. To know the next buyer's entry point, we can draw a trend line like this. Okay, just a minute. Okay, to know the next buyer's entry point, always draw a trend line by adding the first entry point and the second entry point. You will get the third entry point like this. In this minute also I will show you 2059 this candle. If we get any good confirmation, we can place our trade. Okay, this is 2059. Okay, I will show you here. Okay, in this minute, the candle closed far from the level. We can't place our trade here. So here we are seeing a confirmation candle here. This candle, the candle closed just above the level. We are seeing a confirmation candle here. You can take these candles as a confirmation candles, but this is very weak candle. This one also. These are the weak candles. You can't take these weak candles as a confirmation. So you are seeing here a good confirmation candle. You can see a good confirmation candle, first confirmation candle. You can enter here. The candle closed here. So you can take this candle as a confirmation. So always draw a trend line to know the next buyer's entry point. If you draw a trend line, you will get the next buyer's entry point. Okay, here also a first seller's entry point, a second seller's entry point, and a third seller's entry point. Again, we are seeing a fourth seller's entry point from the same level, and there is a rejections too from the same level. Okay, because we are seeing a entry points in the downtrend. Here we are seeing a entry points in the uptrend. Okay, to know the next entry point, always draw a trend line. And I will explain about strong buyers and sellers area. Now, okay, here we are seeing a strong buyer's entry. from this level to this level, this level. From this level to this level, we are seeing a buyer's entry. There is no bearish candle from this level to this level. All candles are bullish candles. It means we are seeing a buying pressure in the market. If you see any strong buying pressure in the market, you can trust the level. Okay, this level, this level. From this level, you are seeing a strong buying pressure in the market. There is no bearish candle. You are seeing some rejections from sellers, but not enough rejections. If there are enough sellers, you can find a bearish candle instead of bullish candle in between this buying pressure. But there is no enough buy sellers. But here you are seeing a enough sellers from this level. That's why you are seeing a bearish candle. In this momentum, there is no bearish candle, but here you are seeing a bearish candle, but the sellers enter from this level. So now this whole area is a sellers area. There are some enough sellers to form a bearish candle. Again, sellers entered from the same level. So you can trust this level. But from this level to this level, you are seeing bullish momentum. All candles are bullish candles. So there are some strong buyers at this area. So again market come to this level. If again market come to this level, buyers will enter. But to enter with buyers, you need a confirmation always. You need a 5-second confirmation. As a newbies, always take 5-second confirmation. If you have some experience, you can place your trade without seeing confirmation. You can place your trade with rejections. But to get that type of experience, always place your trade with confirmation until you get experience. Okay, there are some strong buyers at this area, and I will show you. I'll show you here. Okay, we are seeing a rejection, a seller's entry from this level. From this level to this level, all candles are bearish candles. From this level to this level, all candles are bearish candles. So again, if market come to this level, if market touch this level, there is a chance to enter sellers because the whole area, yeah, this whole area is a strong sellers area. If market come to this level, there is a chance to enter sellers. If you get any strong confirmation at this area, you can place your trade. You need a confirmation candle from sellers in 5 seconds at this area. Okay, a strong selling pressure from this level, and here also we are seeing a strong buying pressure. Okay, a strong buying pressure here, a strong selling pressure from this level. If the candle couldn't break this level, if the candle can't break this level, you can place your trade on the next candle with confirmation. If the candle can't break this level, you can place your trade on the next candle. But here the candle broke this level. So if the candle closed just above the level at the strong sellers area or buyers area, you can place your trade on the next candle with confirmation. Okay, always place your trade with confirmation. Always place your trade with confirmation on the next candle here in this candle. Okay, here. okay, in this candle. So always, if the candle closed just above the level, you can place your trade on the next candle. You are seeing a strong selling pressure. If you see any strong buying pressure, any strong selling pressure, there is a chance to break the level. And I will explain about fake breakouts in the market. Okay, always. Okay, I will explain about fake breakouts here. Okay, you are seeing a seller's entry from this level. Okay, a seller's entry from this level. We are seeing a breakout candlestick. Okay, you can place your trade on the next candle because in the market 70% of the breakouts are a fake breakouts. If you see any breakout in the market, the next candle will go down. But to place your trade on the next breakouts, always trade with confirmation. Confirmation from 5 seconds. If you see any confirmation in the first 30 seconds in this candle, you can place your trade on the next candle because there may be a fake breakout in the market. I will show you the 5-second confirmation here. Here also, you are seeing you are seeing a level from this level to this level. Okay, from this level to this level, the seller changed their entry point from this level to this level. Okay, again you are seeing a breakout candlestick. Okay, from this level to this level, they changed their entry point. Now the sellers are here. Now the sellers are here. Okay, now this whole area is a sellers area. Previously sellers are here, now the sellers are here. If the market breaks the level, sellers may enter on the next candle because sellers and buyers always change their entry point in trend. If you see any uptrend, sellers will change their entry point after breakout. But to know the seller's entry, you need a 5-second confirmation. Here, there is a breakout, but this is a fake breakout. That's why you are seeing a seller's entry. Now, the sellers are here. If the market breaks the level, there is a chance to enter sellers on the next candle. Okay, now the sellers are here. Now this whole area is sellers area. You are seeing a breakout candlestick, a seller's entry, a breakout candlestick. Again, sellers change their entry point from this level to this level. Now the sellers are here. Now the sellers are here. If the market breaks the level, there is a chance to enter sellers on the next candle. So always sellers and buyers change their entry points. That's why you are seeing a breakouts in the market, a fake breakouts. Here, this is a level. Okay, this is a level. You are seeing a breakout candlestick, a fake breakout. Again, buyers enter. Okay, here also, you are seeing a breakout candlestick, but a fake breakout again buyers enter from this level. So always, if market breaks the previous level, there is a chance to enter sellers and buyers. So to know the next buyer's entry point and seller's entry point, you need a confirmation candle. Okay, here you are seeing a breakout candlestick in this area. Okay, if you get any breakout candlestick, any confirmation candlestick on the next candle, you can place your trade. Okay, here there is a breakout candlestick. Okay, there is no strong confirmation from sellers in the first 30 seconds. Okay, you can place your trade with this confirmation, this one, and this one. But you are seeing here a weak candles in the first 30 seconds. So you can't place your trade with this confirmation. If you get any strong confirmation from sellers on the next candle, you can place your trade after breakout. Okay, always after breakouts, there is a chance to enter sellers and buyers. Always. Okay. Here also. Okay, a buyer's entry point, a buyer's entry point, a breakout candlestick. You are seeing a breakout candlestick, a small breakout. Again, we are seeing a buyer's entry. So in the market, always buyers and sellers will change their entry points. That's why you are seeing a fake breakouts. Okay, to know the next buyers and sellers entry point, always draw a trend line. If you draw a trend line, you will get the next buyers and sellers entry point. And you need a confirmation candle from buyers and sellers to place your trades. Okay, this whole area is a level. This whole area is a level. This whole area is a level. Now you are seeing a breakout candlestick. At the first attempt, you are seeing a rejection, but there is no bullish candle. It means no enough buyers to form a bullish candle. Again, buyers entered, there is no upper rejection. There is a breakout candlestick, and we are seeing a selling pressure in the market. Okay, if the candle closed above the level, just above the level, you can place your trade on the next candlestick. And I will show you here. Okay, always draw a trend line to know the next entry point. Okay, to know the next entry point, always draw a trend line. You are seeing a breakout candlestick, but a fake breakout again by its center. Okay, in the market, you can find 70% of the time a fake breakouts in the market. Only 30% of the time you are seeing a real breakout. So if you see any breakouts in the market, so it's better to place a lower option, or it's better to wait for the confirmation candle to enter with sellers and buyers, because the breakouts are a fake breakouts in the market, and because of next buyers and sellers entry points, we are seeing a fake breakouts. And I will show you how to place your trade at the breakout points or next sellers and buyers entry points. I will show you now. Okay, now I will show you how to trade on the breakout candlesticks. Okay, 70% of the time in the market you are seeing a fake breakouts. Only 30% of the time you are seeing a real breakouts. But if you see any breakout, it's better to place your trade with confirmation against the trend, because buyers and sellers will change their entry points every time. So it's better to place your trade after breakouts. Now I will show you. Okay, now I will show you how to place your trade at buyers and sellers entry points. Okay, I will show you now. Okay, here you are seeing a seller's entry point. A seller's entry point here. And here you are seeing a breakout candlestick. Okay, after breakout, the market may reverse. But to know the next buyers and sellers sentiment, you need a confirmation candlestick. Okay, I will show you now how to place your trade with breakout candlesticks. Okay, we need a confirmation candle from sellers to place our trade. Okay, just wait. Okay, you can see now a confirmation candlestick. Okay, we are seeing a confirmation candlestick from sellers. So we can place our trade here. I just placed my trade here. I placed my trade here because of this confirmation candlestick. You can see here a strong selling pressure in the market. I placed my trade with this confirmation candle. Okay, this is a winning trade. Okay, there is a level here also. A level. We are seeing a breakout candlestick. I already told you the strong candle will reverse the market. Here also a reversal, a reversal, and a reversal, and here also a reversal. Okay, the strong candle will reverse the market, and we are seeing a level, a breakout candlestick. Okay, we need a confirmation candle to place our trade after breakout. Okay, there is a confirmation candle here. Okay, we are seeing a confirmation candlestick here, so we can place our trade with this confirmation. Okay, okay, I placed my trade here with this confirmation candle, a good confirmation candle here after breakout. Okay, this is also a winning trade. It closed above my entry point. Okay, here also. Okay, you are seeing a breakout candlestick here. I will show you. Okay, in this candle, there is a level. The candle, you can see the candle closed above the level. Okay, the candle closed just above the level. We need a confirmation candle. Okay, I placed my trade here because this is a reversal sign, shooting star candlestick. Already I am seeing a bearish candle, and I placed my trade directly because of this reversal sign and because of this confirmation candle in the previous candle. And already we are seeing a confirmation candlestick here. Okay, you can see a strong selling pressure in the market. Okay, it closed below my entry point here. Okay, but you can't place your trade with this confirmation. This is very strong confirmation. It may reverse the market. It may be late entry too. But I saw a confirmation candle here from 5 seconds in the previous minute, and this is a shooting star candlestick. That's why I placed my trade directly after breakout. Okay, always place your trade on the breakout candlestick like this. I will show you two more examples. Okay, here. Okay, here also. Okay, I will show you here. Okay, here. Okay, this is a breakout candlestick. Here the candle closed exactly at the level. Now we are seeing a breakout candlestick. And there is a level. Just now I explained about strong selling pressure and buying pressure. Here also a strong selling pressure, a strong selling pressure, a buying pressure. Not strong, but we are seeing a buying pressure. Okay. and we are seeing a breakout candlestick here, a breakout candlestick here. Okay, I will show you here. On the next candle, I will show you. Okay, here I place my trade directly. Okay, here I place my trade directly because I don't have time to decide, because I have only 6 seconds to decide, and I am seeing a breakout candlestick and the candle near to the rejection point, a level and a rejection point, and I am seeing a rejection in this week. So I thought it may be a confirmation candle. That's why I placed my trade directly, because I'm seeing a breakout candlestick and there is a selling pressure too. There is a seller's area too. Yeah, that's why I placed my trade here. But here we are seeing a confirmation candle, but not strong confirmation candle. But there is a rejection. Not this is not a confirmation candle, and this is not also a confirmation candle. But I placed my trade because I thought the rejection was a confirmation candle, but this is not a confirmation candle. But always place your trade with confirmation candle. This is a breakout candlestick, and I place my trade with this rejection without seeing the confirmation candle because I didn't have any time to decide. I had only 6 seconds to decide that. That's why I placed my trade directly because of this rejection. But I won this trade. Okay, this is not a good confirmation candle. You can't place your trade with this confirmation candle. But I placed my trade after breakout here. Okay, here also. Okay, here also. Okay, here there is a level. There is a level. I am seeing a breakout candlestick here. If we get any confirmation candlestick on the next candle, we can place our trade because the sellers always change their entry points. After breakout, they will change their entry point. They will enter from the next level. You need to observe the next level too. Okay, if the market breaks the level, if there is a near level, near SNR level, we can place our trade with confirmation. Okay, I will show you here. Okay, here I place my trade directly because I was seeing some confirmation candlesticks in this area. A red candlesticks, a bearish candlesticks in this area in the first 30 seconds, and I had no time to decide because I had only 3 seconds to decide my trade. That's why I placed my trade directly because of this confirmation. You can see here, you can see here, I saw this confirmation. That's why I placed my trade here with some margin of safety. Okay, if you place your trade with this confirmation, it will close below your entry point most of the time. Okay, you can see here the candle closed below the confirmation candle. Okay, most of the time the candle will close below the confirmation candlestick. Okay, only sometimes they will close above the confirmation candlestick here. Okay, I placed my 5 trades with only this strategy, the breakout strategy. With $10, I got I think 163 dollars. It means with $10 I got $153. $153 means already I had $21, so I got $153. 5 compoundings. with breakout candlesticks, and the next seller's entry points with confirmation. So they will change their entry point after breakouts. There are more chances to enter buyers and sellers. You need a good confirmation from sellers and buyers to place your trade. So you can enter directly after breakouts, but always draw a trend line to know the next entry points. If you see any breakout, always think there is a chance to enter buyers. If you see any breakout, always there is a chance to enter buyers. Okay, here also a breakout candlestick. Here also a breakout candlestick, buyers entered. Okay, if you see any breakout, there is a chance to enter buyers. To know the next buyer sentiment, always place your trade with confirmation. Okay, a weak level, a breakout candlestick, we are seeing a buyer's entry. Okay, to enter with buyers after breakout, always place your trade with confirmation. Okay, you can also place your trade like this, or if you want to know the next buyer's sentiment, always draw a trend line like this. If you draw a trend line, you will get the next entry point here. Or if you draw a trend line like this with two entry points, you will get the next entry point here or next entry point here. You are seeing here a fake breakout. First entry point, second entry point, a fake breakout here. If you see any breakout, there is a chance to enter sellers and buyers. So it's better to place your trade here lower option instead of higher option, because I already told you 70% of the time the breakouts are fake breakouts. Okay, only 30% of the time you are seeing a real breakouts. Okay, if you see any breakout, always place your trade with confirmation. If you place your trade with confirmation, you will definitely win your trade. Most of the time, not every time, most of the time you will win your trade if you place your trade with confirmation like this. Okay, a third entry point here also. Again, the market got support from the same level. Okay, first entry point, second entry point, third entry point, and the fourth entry point. After breakout, we are seeing a reversal point from the same level, again a reversal point from the same level. Okay, you can find the SNR level with the help of trend line too. Okay, if you see any strong selling pressure from a level like this, or a strong buying pressure from a level like this, always think there is a chance to enter sellers. A strong selling pressure, seller center, a strong selling pressure, again seller center from the same level. A strong seller center, a strong seller center, a weak seller center, a strong buyer center. That's why you are seeing a fake breakout again. Okay, here also a strong buyer center, a strong buyer center, buying pressure, and we are seeing a strong selling pressure, a breakout candlestick. You can't place your trade on the next candle. If there is, if the candle closed above the level, you can place your trade on the next candle. If you see any strong selling pressure in the market like this, if you see any strong selling pressure in the market or any strong buying pressure in the market like this, so you can place your trade on the next candlestick. And the next level, if the market come to near to this level, you can place your trade. If the market breaks the level, you can't place your trade. Okay, a strong selling pressure from this level, a strong bearish candle, a strong selling pressure from the same level. Again, if market come to this level, there is a chance to enter sellers. Okay, this is a fake breakout of this level. and it reversed from the next level. If if you see any breakout, they will choose the next level as their entry point like this. So always, if you see any breakout, always enter with 5 second confirmation. All or always observe the next level to enter with sellers or buyers. Yeah, I will show you here also. A strong selling pressure from this level, a strong selling pressure from this level. You are seeing a buying pressure, a weak selling pressure, and a rejection too. Again, again buyer centered, but a weak buyer centered, again seller centered, again buyer centered from this level. There is a rejection from buyers and there is a buyers too. And here also there is a level 2. Okay, there is a level 2. They choose this level as their entry point in uptrend. Yeah. A strong selling pressure from this level, a strong selling pressure from this level, and here also we are seeing a strong selling pressure. Okay, there is no level, but from this strong selling pressure, again sellers entered. Okay, there is a chance to enter sellers at this level. To know the next sellers entry, draw a trend line or at the strong buyers area, always place your trade with confirmation. If you place your trade with confirmation, there is a chance to enter, there is a chance to get ITM instead of OTM. Okay, this is the topic about trend lines. You can also draw the trend line to know the SNR level in uptrend or downtrend or fake breakouts. Most of the time, 70% of the time, the breakouts are fake breakouts. It's better to go against the trend after breakout. Don't go in the direction of the trend after breakouts, because after breakouts market may reverse most of the time. So this is the topic about buyers area and sellers area and buyers entry point and sellers entry points. If you have any questions, okay, this is uptrend. Okay, this is uptrend. Choose two levels. Okay, this is, there is a level and there is another level. Okay, there is a first buyer seller center point, another sellers buyer center seller center point, and here also there is a level. This whole area is a level. Okay, from this level you are seeing a seller center point, again a seller center point, again you are seeing a seller center point from this level. So in the previously we are seeing a seller center from this level, again they changed their entry point from this level, again they changed their entry point from this level. So here now the sellers are here. They changed their entry point from this level to this level. Now the sellers are here. If the candle closes below the level, you can place your trade with sellers. Or if the candle breaks the level, you can place your trade with sellers with confirmation. Here, this whole area is a sellers area. If the candle closed just below the level, you can place your trade on the next candle. And the candle closed far from the level, still we are seeing sellers, buyers. So there is a chance to enter buyers. Now we are seeing a breakout candlestick. There is no seller's entry, directly buyer centered. We are seeing seller's entry from this level. Again seller centered. So now the seller changed their entry point from this level to this level. Now this whole area is a sellers area. This whole area is a sellers area. So again sellers entered from the same level. Now we are seeing a breakout. The seller changed their entry point from this level to this level. Now the sellers are here. This whole area is now a sellers area. Again, if market come to this level, sellers may enter. You can see the sellers choose this level, but we are seeing sellers from this level. Again, we are seeing a seller's entry from the same level. Now, this whole area is a seller's area. If the market come to this level, there is a chance to enter sellers. So now they changed their entry point from this level. Now we are seeing sellers here. Now this is a seller's area. Again we are seeing the seller's entry from the same level. They changed their entry point from this level to this level. Now we are seeing seller's entry, and this whole area is a seller's area. Again sellers entered from the same level. Now they choose their entry point from this level. Now the sellers are here. You can see sellers entered from the same level. There is no next seller's entry point. Again the market went down from this level. Okay, this way you can place your trade, or to if you draw a trend line, you will get the next entry point like this. Okay, buy entry point, a buy entry point, a buy entry point, again a buy entry point, again a buy entry point, again a buy entry point. Okay, to know the buyer's entry point, always draw a trend line, or to know the seller's entry point, always draw a trend line. Always draw a trend line. If you draw a trend line, you will get the next seller's entry point. First seller's entry point, second seller's entry point. The sellers entered near to this level. There is a breakout, again sellers entered. Because I already told you, the breakouts are fake breakouts most of the time. This way you can draw the trend line. If you draw two lines, two levels, you will get the third level. If the candle closed below the level, you can place your trade on the next candle. Or if the candle breaks the level, you can place your trade on the next candle with confirmation. Okay, got it? Gyan Naidu?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here.
Yes, bro.
This is a 5-second candlestick. Okay, this is a 20 to 52 minute.
Yes.
Okay, the candle opened here. The closing point is here.
Yes.
Okay, if you want to
So
place
in this,
higher option, if you want to place higher option,
yes,
you can place your trade with this confirmation, because there is no confirmation here, here, and here. In the first 30 seconds, this is a confirmation candle. You can place your trade. Avoid these confirmations. Okay, it will confuse you. But if you place your trade with this confirmation, it will give you winning trade. Here, if you want to place lower option, you can take this candle as a confirmation candle. You can place a lower option. Got it? Here, if you want to place your trade in this mate, you can place your trade with this confirmation lower option, right?
right.
But you can't place your trade with higher option in this mate, because there is no strong confirmation. But sometimes you can place your trade, you can place this candle also a confirmation candle. It's not a problem. You can
Okay.
place this candle also a confirmation candle. This is a perfect candlestick. Okay, you can take this candle, this candle, this candle, and this candle also. This is very weak candle, but sometimes we can take this candle also. It's not a
Okay.
problem. Okay, this is a weak candle, this is also a weak candle, and this is also a weak candle. And
Okay.
in this minute, if you want to place a higher option, you can't place your trade here. This is very strong candle.
Yes, very
It may
strong.
be late entry. This is a perfect confirmation candle, but you can't place your trade here also. It's very late entry, right? But if you want to place
Right.
a lower option, you can place your trade with this confirmation or with this confirmation too.
Okay.
Got it? Okay, practice it. Sometimes you will get losses as a newbie. It's not a problem, but
Mm-hmm.
practice until you get a good winning ratio. Only a strong confirmation. Always take a strong 5-second confirmation like this. Always take a strong 5-second confirmation like this. Don't place your trades with these two confirmation weak candles. Okay, even if you get 5 weak candles, you can't place your trade. It may reverse. Okay, always place your trade with strong confirmation candles like this or like this. Okay, here you are seeing a breakout candlestick and again a buy entry. So this is, you can take this candle as a breakout candlestick. This candle as a breakout candlestick. But if you get any confirmation candlestick on the next candle, you can place a lower option. Because I already told you, in the market, most of the time, 70% of the time, the breakouts are fake breakouts. And before going to break the level, they will give you, the market will give you some signs. This level, this whole area. Here you are seeing a support level, again a reversal sign, a reversal point, again a reversal point, again a reversal point. Okay, here you are seeing a rejection buyer's entry and a weak seller's entry and a rejection buyer's entry, and again a strong buyer's entry, and again you are seeing a strong buyer's entry. Okay, if you observe the market here at this area, you are seeing rejections, a strong rejections or a strong buyer's entry. But at this area, okay, a buyer's entry, a buyer's entry, a buyer's entry, again a buyer's entry. With compared to previous seller's entry, you are seeing a strong seller's entry. Here also a strong seller's entry. But here you are seeing very strong seller's entry with compared to previous two seller's entries. There are some strong sellers. Here also there are some strong sellers, but here very strong sellers with compared to previous sellers. The sellers entered very strongly to break this level. And here a rejection by its entry. There is no rejection directly, very strong by its entry. A by its entry. You can see here a strong by its entry, a rejection by its entry, again a by its entry. But here, after by its entry, you are seeing a strong seller's entry. It means there is no buyer's entry after this candle. There is no buyer's entry after this candle. And a strong selling pressure. Again, after this bullish candle, still we are seeing seller's entry instead of buyer's entry. Okay, here also we are seeing buyer's entry, a strong buyer's entry, a seller's entry, again a buyer's entry. So buyers are here, buyers are here, buyers are here. Okay, the candle closed exactly at the buyer's area on the next candle, but still we are seeing bearish candle. Okay, here the candle closed at the level, a rejection buyer's entry. The candle closed at the level, weak seller's entry buyers and again strong buyer's entry. The candle closed at the level, buyer's entry. The candle closed at the level, buyer's entry. Now the candle closed at the level, we are seeing still seller's entry. There is no buyer's entry. It means the market is trying to break the level. So it may break the level very easily. So you can take this breakout as a real breakout because buyer's entry, buyer's entry, buyer's entry, buyer's entry, no buyer's entry. The sellers tried quickly to break this level. There is no buyer's entry after this candle. Directly sellers entered, and you are seeing a selling pressure in the market, a strong selling pressure. With compared to selling pressure, you are seeing a weak buyers. Again, sellers entered. After this candle also, still we are seeing a sellers. Again, a breakout candle. This is a real breakout. You can place your trade on the next candlestick here. Okay. Today I'm going to closing this session. Practice it on demo account.